What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI-powered language model developed by OpenAI. It is trained on a large corpus of text data to generate human-like responses to natural language queries. It can be used to perform tasks such as answering questions, generating text, and conducting conversations. It has the capability to perform a variety of language-related tasks such as text generation. Given a prompt, ChatGPT can generate coherent and semantically meaningful text. For example, given the prompt "Write a story about a magical kingdom," ChatGPT can generate a short story. Question answering. ChatGPT can answer questions based on a provided context or a large corpus of text. For example, given the question "Who is the President of the United States?" and the context as of 2021, ChatGPT can answer Joe Biden. Conversation. ChatGPT can conduct a conversation in a human-like manner and maintain context. For example, in a conversation about a movie, ChatGPT can answer questions like "What's the name of the lead actor?" and "What's the movie about?" Text classification. ChatGPT can categorize text into different classes based on its content. For example, it can classify a piece of text as positive or negative sentiment. Summarization. ChatGPT can generate a concise summary of a long piece of text. For example, it can summarize a long news article into a few bullet points. Translation. ChatGPT can translate text from one language to another. For example, it can translate a sentence from English to Spanish. However, the exact capabilities of the model can vary based on the fine-tuning and training it has received. Is ChatGPT a replacement for search engine? No. Not at all. It is not a replacement for a search engine. It is a language model that can generate human-like text and answer questions, while a search engine is a tool designed to search and retrieve information from the internet. Search engines like Google use algorithms to index and rank websites based on relevance and provide users with the most relevant results for their queries. ChatGPT, on the other hand, generates text based on the input it receives and can provide answers to questions, but it does not index or search the internet. While ChatGPT can provide quick answers to specific questions, a search engine is still the better choice for searching the vast amount of information available on the internet. What are all the limitations of ChatGPT at present? There are some limitations of ChatGPT that exist at present, including bias. Like all machine learning models, ChatGPT is only as unbiased as the data it was trained on. If the training data contains biases, ChatGPT will also reflect those biases in its responses. Contextual understanding. ChatGPT struggles with understanding context and common sense knowledge. It may generate responses that are irrelevant or nonsensical in certain situations. Factual accuracy. ChatGPT's answers are based on the text it was trained on, and it may provide inaccurate or outdated information if the training data was not up to date or contained errors. Lack of creativity. ChatGPT generates text based on patterns in the data it was trained on, so it may lack originality and creativity. Open domain limitations. ChatGPT is trained on a wide range of topics, but it may not have sufficient expertise in niche or specialized areas. Data privacy. ChatGPT is trained on a large corpus of text data, which may include personal or sensitive information. Careful consideration should be given to data privacy when using the model. But researchers are continuously working to improve the model and overcome these limitations. Now let us see how to get an account and access ChatGPT. Open any web browser. Type https://chat.openai.com/auth/login. It will take you to sign up come login screen. If you are not signed up earlier, press sign up button. You can sign up using email address and password, or if you have Gmail or Windows Mail you can sign up with those. If you have already signed up, press login button. It will lead you to ChatGPT welcome screen. From text box at the bottom, you can start asking question, ChatGPT will answer it. Let us see some examples. I'm asking ChatGPT. Tell me about OpenAI in 100 words. Wow, it generated the answer. Next example. Give a HTML code for Hello World. It provide the detailed answer. Even answer is provided for some complex codes as well. Let us move on to next example. Write a 5-chapter story of 80-year-old man falling into love with 70-year-old women. It is miracle. It generates the 5 chapters, with its corresponding titles. Now let us elaborate the each chapter details. Here you go. Write 1000 words details about the chapter 1 in the above story. It generates. Same way, you can proceed for all other chapters too. But I stopped generating it for now. You can play with your imagination now. One more general knowledge question. Which is the tallest statue? Tell top 10 world tallest statues? It give. Wonderful ChatGPT. Keep it up. You're really Gen Alpha tech product for sure.